Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mom Life with Shell. Tonight we are doing Self-Care Sunday. I'm really excited to bring it back to you guys, but I'm in dire need of some self-care. I've been doing a lot of shifts at work. I've been doing midnights to days to evenings. I'm all over the place and I'm kind of just feeling really run down and like I need to kind of catch up on my sleep. I need to give myself a pedicure because it's been so long and I need to just relax and take the edge off the day. I already have a glass of wine poured, obviously. So I'm going to be sipping on that for the night. I highly recommend you grab yourself a glass right now and settle in and watch this with me. So before we get started, I just wanted to mention that I'm adding in a squat routine to my night every night because recently I've been losing some weight and I've noticed like most of it's gone from my butt. So I want to start adding in about like 50 to 100 squats a night before bed. So I'm gonna do that basically right now, and then we'll kind of start this night routine. But I wanted to add it in because I feel like it's going to keep me accountable, at least for tonight. I might even start posting them on my Instagram and maybe people will join in with me. I'm not sure. But anyways, if you want to go to my Instagram, just go here-ish and make sure you follow me there so you can get updates on Wyatt and the inside scoop on when new videos are coming out and all that. So anyways, let's get going. I'm obviously highly out of shape because that killed me. So I'm basically going to exfoliate my skin because it's been a while since I've really, you know. So I want to get all the grit and dirt out of my skin, and then I'm going to cleanse it with my Mario Pedicure cleansing gel, and then I'm going to moisturize and then get into the bath. Okay, so my skin is feeling nice and fresh now and all clean. So I think before I moisturize, I'm going to run the bath and get in that, and I'll show you guys some of the fun stuff I'm putting inside. And I'm basically just gonna relax, watch some stuff on my phone, and then I'm gonna give myself a pedicure tonight. So I'm pretty excited for that. These are so cute and comfy and on clearance.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave.
So the color I'm gonna go with tonight is just this Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. It's called Cocoa A Go-Go, and it's just like a bronzy brown with a bit of shimmer for fall. So that's what I'm gonna put on my toes.
One could see, oh, sweet memories of the town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried.
So my toes are officially done. It's kind of a cute color. I'm pretty impressed with it. I mean, it's nothing special, but it'll do. I think I have been in this bathroom too long because I'm kind of sweaty. So I'm going to clean up my mess here, and then I think I'll grab another glass of wine and I don't know, maybe just watch some of my show for a little bit. Oh, I need to update my budget, so I think I'll do that. And that's a big part of my self-care, is because I like to be organized and in charge of my money, because being in charge of my money makes me happy.
Nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been way too long, I'm going home.
Also, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you so much for 1K followers. That is quite an exciting feat of mine. I am so proud of myself for getting there in less than a year. I am on my road to monetization. I do need watch hours. I have like, I think 2,000 out of the 4,000, so I'm tooting along, but obviously to support me in this way, you can run my playlists, you can run them overnight on your computer, on your phone, so you can watch my videos, you can share them to your friends so that other people can enjoy them as well. That's just a little bit of how you can support me in that way. So I'm just gonna go relax and watch my show for a little bit, and then I will check back in with you guys in a little while.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
I've been finding with me working on midnight last night, and then I slept basically until 2 p.m. this afternoon, it's going to be pretty hard for me to get to sleep like early tonight. I mean, it's already like 9:45, so I thought I would take one of these. It is the Orange Naturals Mag Sleep. It just helps put your sleep troubles to bed. That's what it says. So anyways, It has got magnesium and melatonin, and it just kind of helps relax you and gets you back on a normal sleep schedule. So I'm going to be taking one of these now, and then hopefully in like an hour or so I can be asleep.
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment.
Good sleep is definitely a good form of self-care, so that's why I'm making it important today, especially this 24 hours that I've just had to catch up on my sleep. I've already gotten about, I think 7 hours of sleep so far today. So if I can get another 8, that would mean I would get 15 in 24 hours, which is amazing. I need to do math, obviously. Okay, so let's get back to relaxing. I'll see you guys later.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Well, I hope you all enjoyed the self-care video, and hopefully this is a good reminder that you take some time for yourself to get some self-care done. It's like 11 o'clock now. I'm finally getting tired, so I'm going to go to bed. I've just been watching my show. I'm still watching Beauty and the Geeks Australia. Sorry, my cat just came in and it scared the crap out of me. Anyways, yeah, hi baby. It's the makeover episode, so those are the best ones. Anyways, I hope you guys give this video a like, comment down below what your favorite self-care routines are, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hi. Good night. Say good night.